This dance is called It's a Heartache. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, beginner level line dance with 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot, you're going to walk forward 3 steps. Right, left, right. Kick that left forward and then walk back 3 steps. Left, right, left. Touch that right beside the left. That set of steps once more then, walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. You're going to step forward on the right, kick the left forward, step back on that left, touch the right beside the left, and repeat. Step forward on the right, kick the left forward, step back on the left, touch that right beside the left. Now that set of steps once more then. Step, kick, back, touch twice. Off on the right. 7, 8. Step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch. You're going to vine to the right, so you're going to step the right to the side, cross that left behind the right, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Vine back to the left with a quarter turn and a brush. So you step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, quarter turn left as you step forward on that left, making sure you have turned your entire body, don't leave it twisted, and then brush the right forward. Gentle contact with the ground with the ball of the foot. That set of steps once more then, vining to the right. The right foot leads. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, brush. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, brush. You're going to step forward on the right, brush the left, step forward on the left, brush the right. Into a rocking chair, rock forward on that right, recover your weight on that left, move that right back as you rock back on it, and recover your weight back on that left again. Rocking chair. That set of steps once more then. Step, brush off on the right. 7, 8. Step, brush, rocking chair. End of the dance when you get to that point. Let's put it all together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, brush, step, rocking chair. So that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. And then we're going to speed it up just a little bit as we go around the walls because the music is a little bit faster. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, brush, step, rocking chair. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, brush, step, rocking chair. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, brush, step, brush, rocking chair. So hopefully you managed to follow that. Now there are two little restarts in this dance. They come on walls 5 and 10, both of which are your front wall. You'll do half the dance and then restart. So you basically walk forward and back, do your step, touch, back, your step, kick, back, touch, steps. Don't go into your vines, you restart before you get there. So let's take you up to count 16, wall 5 or 10, take your pick, and restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch. Restart, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. So 16 counts halfway through the dance, walls 5 and 10, your front walls, both of them. So that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to their music. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch, side behind, side touch, side behind, turn, brush, rocking chair. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch, side behind, side touch, side behind, turn, brush, rocking chair. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch, side behind, side touch, side behind, turn, brush, rocking chair. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch, side behind, side touch, side behind, turn, brush, rocking chair. Walk, restart wall, step kick, restart walk, step kick, wind, step brush, walk, step kick, wind, step brush, walk, step kick, wind, walk, step kick, wind, step brush. So let's restart walk. Restart walks. It's you when it's too late. It's you when you're down. It's a fool's game. Nothing but a fool's game. Standing in the cold rain, feeling like a clown. It's a heartache. Nothing but a heartache. It's you when it's too late. It's you when you're down. Yeah. Hope you managed that one.